Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make rounded corners in Canva. This is a simple way to give images and elements a softer, more modern look. On the Canva dashboard, let's walk through how to do this. First, we will insert a shape. We will use a square shape here. Next, let's upload an image. We will use this cat photo. Now we have both an image and a shape on the canvas. To make the corners rounded, all we need to do is click these corner handles. As we can see, the corners will round just like the image. We simply click the corner rounding handle and drag to adjust it. And just like that, we now have rounded corners applied. This gives a clean, polished look to our images and shapes. That is how we make rounded corners in Canva. With just a few quick adjustments, we can make our designs look much more refined.